Hey, what's up, Manuel? Corey here. Real quick, I'm shooting over those three free tips. That way, we can actually start out ranking the competitors in your area, really driving more traffic in and really growing your business here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Also, keywords as well, which keywords is actually going to show us how much volume is actually going to be happening with different types of services in the area. So, the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. We do want to build out that website for you first as well. But really being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page. So that way we can actually layer in all those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're actually being found. Give you a quick example. If I go into home repair Riverside, CA, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack here. Some people call it a three pack because all the top three businesses get the traffic there. And to get to the very top in this map pack, you're going to be dealing with online directories, which are called citations. So ideally, what you want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. You obviously don't want to stop there. You want to go out and outrank them. So I'd get 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have, and that'll throw you right on the top there. Come out of this map area, or this GMB. Right underneath this, we have the first page of Google, and this is where all the organic traffic happens. And I'll show you the amount of traffic that actually comes inside of here and clicks on this area. But to get your website there, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link for multiple different websites linking back to your website that's just really pushing traffic to it so you can get on that first page of Google. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take this guy's URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Here's all the keywords he's ranking for. Here's the position and also the traffic that he's getting from each keyword as well. So kind of going to go through a couple of these with you. Handyman Riverside, CA, there's 70 clicks a month. Handyman Corona, CA, 80 clicks a month. Handyman in Riverside, CA, 20 clicks a month. So we just find all these different keywords and whatever's actually going to work for you. And we just want to build up that list and then also do enough backlinking so we can get on that first page of Google, and you're going to notice your phone start ringing off the hook there. But anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out, or if you just want to play these three free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.